Want to share your PlayStation 5 games and benefits with everyone in your home. In this video, we'll dive into how to activate your PS5 as your primary console, unlocking those sharing features. First, let's get into those settings. From the home screen, navigate to the settings gear icon and select it using your controller. Now, scroll down and select users and accounts. Next, from the users and accounts menu, choose account. Within the account menu, select console sharing and offline play. This is the key to activating your primary PS5. On this screen, you'll see the option enable. If your PS5 isn't yet primary, you'll see disable. Instead, select enable to make your console your primary PS5. Once selected, the status will update, confirming that your PS5 is now your primary console. That's it. You've successfully activated your PS5 as your primary console now. Anyone who uses this PS5 can access your downloaded games, PS Plus benefits, and more. Enjoy the shared gaming experience.